Let's make Hayagriva Maddi. Start by soaking Chana Dal for 20 minutes. Drain and add fresh water for cooking. Pressure cook for 3 whistles. Once the pressure releases, open the cooker. Drain half the water from the cooked dal. Add jaggery, cloves, fresh coconut and crushed cardamom to the dal. In ghee, lightly roast cashews and raisins until golden. Add these to the dal mixture. Cook while stirring continuously until it thickens nicely. Your traditional Hayagriva Maddi is ready to enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.